Welcome to our YouTube video on Mastering Software Development, 10 Best Practices for Success. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, following best practices is crucial for creating high-quality, efficient, and maintainable software. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential practices that will elevate your software development skills to the next level. Let's dive in.
We'll begin by emphasizing the importance of clear and thorough requirement gathering and analysis. Understanding the project's goals and user needs is vital for successful software development. Properly defining requirements will lead to a more focused and efficient development process.
Adopting a design-first approach ensures a solid foundation for your codebase. Create detailed architectural designs and diagrams before diving into coding. This practice helps you identify potential issues early on and saves you from costly rework. Implement version control from the beginning of your project using tools like Git. Version control allows you to track changes, collaborate with others, and roll back to previous states if needed. It's an essential practice for maintaining code integrity and managing collaborative development.
Writing clean and well-documented code is crucial for future maintenance and collaboration. Follow a consistent coding style, use meaningful variable names, and comment your code effectively. This practice fosters better understanding among team members and reduces the learning curve for new developers. Incorporate regular code reviews into your development process. Peer review helps identify potential bugs, improve code quality, and share knowledge across the team. Constructive feedback from colleagues enhances individual skills and the overall code base. Automated testing is a must for robust software. Implement unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests to ensure your code functions as expected and catches regressions early on. Automated tests boost confidence in code changes and facilitate continuous integration and deployment, CI/CD, pipelines. Security should be a top priority in software development. Learn and implement secure coding practices to prevent vulnerabilities and potential breaches. Stay up to date with the latest security trends and patch vulnerabilities promptly. Optimize your code for performance to create efficient and responsive applications. Identify bottlenecks and optimize algorithms to reduce processing time and resource consumption. Profiling tools can help pinpoint performance issues. Design your software with scalability and maintainability in mind. Anticipate future growth and ensure your codebase can adapt to changes without significant rewrites. Modular, well-organized code makes maintenance and scaling easier. Software development is an ever-evolving field. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with the latest technologies, frameworks, and industry best practices. Attend conferences, read books, and engage with the development community.
In conclusion, following these 10 best practices will significantly enhance your software development skills and contribute to the success of your projects. Remember to gather clear requirements, focus on design, use version control, write readable code, conduct regular code reviews. Test rigorously, prioritize security, optimize performance, design for scalability and maintainability, and always strive for continuous learning. Happy coding! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow developers. Thank you for watching.